Hello, welcome to the channel. So this is a very slow Sunday news day, so let's do a reaction video. Now, we all know the catalytic converter has been being stolen in a very rampant, and it's a crime that's spread around the United States like wildfire. And there's really no end to it, but government officials have passed legislations to make it tougher to sell said catalytic converter. I covered that in a separate video. Now, these goons over here stealing this person's work van or whatever, this catalytic converter, they pulled up on a car you would not believe. Must be nice. I think the business is booming, obviously, for them. I hope not, because you can't sell them here, but what's stopping them to go sell it in some other state? That is the problem. They can just steal in mass and just export them to other states, unless other states has also instituted the same kind of legislation to really crack down. If all 50 states decided to crack down on catalytic converter and pass laws to prevent people from selling them en masse, then the problem would be solved, right? But anyway, let's go ahead and watch the video. By the way, these things they're fast, man. They're fast. The video lasts about a minute 51 seconds, and within that minute 51 seconds, they're able to pull up, jack up the car, get in there, cut it out, and gone. So you can see it's a Lamborghini, a yellow Lamborghini Urus. I don't know if I'm selling that right. Urus. They pull up in a Lamborghini SUV to commit a crime. Crazy. So it's Lamborghini, black rims. You can't see the plate. It seems like there's 4 guys. Let me see. Hold on. Let me take it back a second. So you got 1. And I'm assuming there's another person in the passenger side. So I got 1, 2, 3, including the driver. Get the lookout, man. Making sure we're clear. They're pulled up on a Lamborghini Urus to commit a crime. Nothing subtle about that. It's insane, man. There's other ways for you to protect yourself when it comes to your catalytic converter. Whether your best course of action is just park it in your garage. They're going after big trucks, Tacomas. I talked extensively on that on a separate video already, but this is insane. That's somebody's livelihood, and those catalytic converters are not cheap to replace. Brand new, they could get as much as $1,000 depending on how many catalytic converter your vehicle has. Some vehicles have multiple catalytic converter. Like at my Type R, I think I have like 2 catalytic converters. One is in the engine bay, and then the other one is all the way at the bottom. So there's 2 of them, but they cost a few $1,000s. See, look at that. So they pull up at, I want to say, oh damn, the car's already getting jacked up. Wow, at like 15 seconds in, the car's already in the air. 15 seconds. 1 minute. Done. And we out of here. Crazy. This is crazy, man. Like I said, the best course of action is, if you can, park in the garage, park in the well-lit areas. You can do, there's a couple things that I've seen people do. You can like itch your VIN number on your catalytic converter, or, I don't know, like seal the whole system. I don't know, because if it's harder to take out, the more difficult it is, the harder it is for them to steal it. So making it as difficult as possible for them to steal your catalytic converter, that's your best course of action. But unfortunately, this is what we got to deal with, especially when other states haven't passed a law to limit the sale said Catalytic converters once all states are all in conjunction on this, because there's certain states that they don't really give a shit about emissions. So emissions don't even matter. So they don't give a shit whether you have a catalytic converter or not. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And you have yourself a very slow Sunday. All right, bye.